In this video, I am going to show you how to see your connected Wi-Fi password on your phone. Guys, we have two ways to find your connected Wi-Fi password. I will show you. First, open your Google Chrome. Before this, I ask you guys, please subscribe my channel and like this video for more useful content. Here in the search bar of your Google Chrome, write 192.168.1.1 or .0.1. You should try both of them. Some router has 1.1 IP address, but some router has 0.1 IP. Then click go. Look, this page will come for you when you write this IP address 192.168.0.1, or if 0 is not work for you, write here 1.1. Okay, 1.1. Now here ask you password. The password is by default admin. Okay, I come back. Look, the password is always by default admin. The username is also admin. Username is admin, password is also admin. Then click login. Okay, here we have wireless. Click here. Then here we have wireless security. Click here. When you click in wireless security, look here, I will show you the password. Here we have wireless password. You can find the password like this. Look, this router has admin at 12345 password. It was one way. The other way is close your Google Chrome. Again, click on your Wi-Fi connection. The other way is like this. Click on your Wi-Fi name. Okay, touch. Here we have QR code. Screenshot this QR code. Okay, I want to screenshot. I get a screenshot. Now come to Play Store. If you can use Play Store, come to Play Store. If you can't use, I will show you other way also. Right here, QR code. QR code scanner. Okay, here we have QR code scanner. Search. When you search QR code scanner, install one of them. This software will find for you the password. This software will read QR code. Okay, the first one is the best, I think, QR code border scanner. Then when you install this app, then open this app. Okay, click in the photo because you get a screenshot. Now I want to use this app just one time. I want to scan this QR code. Okay, look, now scan for us and find the password. Password is admin at 12345. If you are use iPhone but you are not use Android, you can scan this QR code online. Just search in Google Chrome QR code scanner, for example, like this QR code scanner online. Then search. We can find a lot of sites that can scan this QR code and find password for you. You can use any of them you want. Guys, I hope to enjoy from this video. Don't forget like and comment. If you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel. See you soon.